Black Shark is the best gaming phone so far, in which Xiaomi has invested money and technology. The company also cooperates with JD.com to gain more market share. Thus, Black Shark has attracted extensive attention from the second it appears on the market. Based on Antutu benchmark, Black Shark achieved a total score of 287,759, ranking the first, higher than Xiaomi Mi 8, Mi Mix 2S, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, iPhone X, and iPhone 8. Is the gaming phone more worth buying than other top performers? Why has Xiaomi invested in a gaming phone that beats its flagship smartphones in 2018 hands down? Let's find out more about Black Shark. Xiaomi Black Shark CPU, no frame drop. Faster and more fluent. The Black Shark gaming phone uses Snapdragon 845 octa-core CPU, the best processor, with 4x Cryo 385 Gold at 2.8 GHz core, 4x Cryo 385 Silver at 1.77 GHz core, and Adreno 630 GPU. Its performance is significantly improved, 25 to 30% higher than Snapdragon 835. Although Xiaomi Mi 8, Mi Mix 2S and Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus also uses the most powerful processor, their performances are not as satisfying. Evidently, Black Shark has an excellent multi-layer cooling kit to reach the full potential of the CPU. After playing the game Arena of Valor for 2 hours, the temperature of Black Shark averages 8 degrees Celsius lower than its competitors. This is because Black Shark boasts 20 times more efficient heat dissipation. As a result, the CPU is able to run at full speed all the time without sacrificing its performance to lower the temperature. In comparison with Razer Phone 2, the predominant gaming phone released in 2017, Black Shark loads web pages, video games faster, and presents brighter images to you. Xiaomi Black Shark design and display. Black Shark has a 5.99-inch 18:9 display, 2160 by 1080p resolution, round edges, specially designed X-shaped antenna at the reverse side, and a S-shaped breathing LED light. More specifically, the antenna maximizes the signal strength of wireless network. However, Black Shark is held in your hand and wherever you are indoors, and the breathing light produces different effects when there are calls/notifications. The phone is turned on or loading games. Special Black Shark space, 75% dedicated to gaming. Xiaomi Black Shark is not just cool looking, but also designed in accordance with the preference of gaming players. Turn on the switch at the left side to enter Shark space, turning the phone into a game console, while only connected to the mobile network or Wi-Fi to avoid any interference, such as calls, messages, notifications, etc. Based on MIUI, its operating system gives you access to a wide range of Xiaomi services, whereas, it also features the newly developed Shark Dock to turn off all apps, clean RAM, reject phone calls, etc., so you will be able to be more focused on games. What's more, the screen adapts the brightness to the environment well. Thus, the light is soft to protect your eyes and prevent eye strain in low light. Feel at ease playing games for several hours in a row. How long can you play CPU and GPU intensive games on Black Shark? About 4 to 5 hours long when the resolution, FPS, image quality are set at the highest. Indeed, the 4000 mAh high-capacity battery is a huge advantage. Moreover, with QC 3.0 quick charge technology, it only takes an hour for Black Shark to be 80% charged. Xiaomi Black Shark camera. The excitement never stops somewhere with importance equally attached to the photography. Black Shark features 12MP plus 20MP back camera, DAF, HDR, portrait mode and panorama, houses a 20MP front camera for beauty mode and 4K 30fps videos. Snap perfectly when you are not immersed in games. Xiaomi Black Shark global version versus Chinese and English version. Currently, the global version is only available on Gearbest, which supports LTB20 frequency for users in Europe. Besides Chinese and English, the operating system of the global version also supports more languages, including German, French, Portuguese, Turkish, and Arabian. However, as for more players, the former comes with a Bluetooth gamepad, an amazing helper for succeeding in shooting games. The gamepad adds a joystick and two buttons to your phone, effectively improving the accuracy of directional control and reducing the time to aim and shoot. More specifically, it responds to your touch in no time, 5 ms faster than iPhone X, 20 ms than Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so there is no doubt its operation is smoother. Therefore, with a Bluetooth gamepad, playing shooting games on touchscreen will be much easier. Xiaomi Black Shark, price. The Black Shark Global version with 6GB RAM and 64GB RAM is now available on GearBest at $522, while the 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM version comes at a rather steep $590.